Well, the father of the Apalachee High School shooting suspect could soon be walking out of jail.
Just hours ago, a judge granted bond to Colin Gray. The amount is set at $500,000, and he's been ordered to have no contact with any witnesses in the case. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley joining us now from the Barrow County Courthouse. Joe, how did this judge come to this decision?
Well, Colin Gray and his attorneys, Jennifer, first filed for this bond hearing last week. Now, while the judge says that the heightened emotion surrounding the Apalachee school shooting did not factor into his decision to grant Gray bond, certainly they did factor into how much the bond was set. 2 hours after walking into a Barrow County courtroom, Colin Gray will soon get the chance to walk out of jail.
Mr. Gray is innocent until he goes to trial. Is found guilty by a jury of his peers.
Superior Court Judge Nicholas Prim granted Gray a $500,000 bond. Gray faces several charges, including murder and the deadly shooting at Apalachee High School in September. His son, Colt, is accused of taking a rifle his dad gave him and killing 2 students and teachers and injuring 8 others.
What happened is inexcusable.
The victims' loved ones shared their emotions in the 5 months since the shooting, hoping Gray would be denied bond.
I don't know how you can just live with yourself sometimes. I don't know. Because this is horrific. You have devastated the lives of, like Richard said, the whole state, the whole country.
And honestly, I'm very under the prison.
The mother of 14-year-old Mason Schermerhorn candid about what justice looks like for her.
I feel like the sheer irresponsibility of Mr. Gray as a parent robbed my family of a chance to raise my son.
But Judge Prim says the law does not allow him to consider community impact when considering bond. He says Colin Gray did not pose a significant flight risk, didn't pose a threat or danger to the community, wasn't likely to commit a felony before trial, and didn't believe Gray would intimidate any witnesses.
At a bond hearing is not where justice is dispensed. Ultimate justice, in whatever form that takes, comes later through a jury trial.
Tonight, attorneys for Colin Gray say they are hopeful he'll be able to make bond and be released from jail, though one criminal defense attorney that I spoke with says it's highly unlikely they'll be able to make such a high amount. We're live in Barrow County tonight. Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
All right, Joe, thank you. The 14-year-old shooting suspect, Colt Gray, is awaiting trial. His next status hearing is set for May 6th. He's facing 55 charges, including felony and malice murder. He is pleaded not guilty.